This is a 5-minute guided meditation for stress relief. Find a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Take a moment to settle in. Allow your body and mind to prepare for relaxation. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold for a moment. Then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress. Repeat this deep breathing a few more times, allowing each breath in to bring calm and peace, and each breath out releases stress and anxiety. Let's do a body scan to release any remaining tension. Start at the top of your head and slowly move down, relaxing each part of your body as you go. Relax your forehead, your eyes, and your jaw. Move down to your neck and shoulders, letting them drop and release any tension. Continue down your arms, hands, and fingers, feeling them become heavy and relaxed. Move to your chest, noticing the gentle rise and fall of your breath. Relax your hips, your thighs, and your knees. Finally, move down to your calves, your ankles, and your feet, allowing them to fully relax. Imagine a serene place. It could be a quiet beach or a tranquil garden. Picture every detail, the colors, the sounds, the smells. Feel the soothing presence of this place. Allow yourself to fully immerse in this peacefulness, feeling a deep sense of calm and relaxation. Listen to and try to believe the following affirmations. I am calm. I am at peace. I release all tension and stress. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of calm and relaxation with you throughout your day. Namaste.